So how to fix allow access to location not found on Android apps. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So you can do this on the both the all the apps available on into your Android device, like the Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Pinterest, Telegram, Snapchat, YouTube, any of the apps. So firstly what you have to do is you have to simply open your settings and then scroll down and open the apps and then click on the manage apps here. And what you can do is you can search the app that you want to allow access to location. So let's see, I give the messenger app. So here you can see the messenger, and what you can do is you can see the permissions tab. Scroll down and then click on the app permissions, and what you can do is you can see the locations in the denied tab if you don't allow the locations. So what you have to do is you have to click on the location, and here you can see it is denied. So what you can do is allow only while using the app. You can allow this, and now it is the in the allowed tab. It means you have allowed the location access to messenger. If it work, then it is thankfully yeah, yeah, it is very good. But if it not works, what you can do is you can simply long hold that messenger app, and then you can see the three option popping: share, app info, and remove. Click on the app info in the middle, and here you can see the you have to scroll down, and you can see the option uninstall in the bottom. What you can do is you can click on the uninstall now, and now it will say that uninstall the app. So you can click on the OK with the blue button, and it will uninstall the app permanently. It means delete the app from your device. After deleting the app, what you have to do is you have to go to your Play Store and then search for the messenger like this, and then you have to search this, and you can see the messenger app. Install this app and reinstall this app, and then you can sign in into your account, and you can see the location is access is you have fixed the allow access to location. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.